Is your dryer refusing to start? Don't panic, Zap Fixers is here to help. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, check the basics. Is the dryer plugged in? Sometimes the simplest solutions are the easiest to overlook. Next, inspect your circuit breaker. A tripped breaker could be cutting power to your dryer. If the power's fine, take a look at the door switch. Dryers won't start if the door isn't fully closed or if the switch is faulty. Listen for a clicking sound when you close the door. If you don't hear it, the switch might need replacing. Still no luck? The thermal fuse could be the issue. This safety feature blows if the dryer overheats. You'll need a multimeter to test it, and if it's blown, it'll need to be replaced. Finally, don't forget the control panel or start button. If these components are damaged, your dryer won't respond. If troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, don't worry, call Zap Fixers for fast professional dryer repair. We'll get your laundry routine back on track in no time.